Attention, girls. I hope you guys would be having a really great time. And we are celebrating International Women's Day in advance. And I wish you all the best for your career because we all are like working ladies and we know the importance of being a woman as a sister, as a wife, as a daughter. So we have a lot of duties, you know that. And I think every one of us has some kind of experiences like this in the past, and for which I like every one of you to share your insights with us, and then we further continue, okay?
Older self. Alhamdulillah, I have been doing great, mashallah. Like, I am pretty happy for everything in the past that I've done in the past. No regrets, as in. I think the most important thing is that we get the support from our family and our father, our parents, and our husbands, our brother, sister, or जो भी आपके मतलब loved ones हैं. I think that's so much important. And for women, it's like even more important. We are like very strong and resilient, but still, I think the support from the parents and partners is also a very important thing.
I kept on thinking कि मैं अपनी older self को क्या कहूँगी. And you know what? I was thinking that I would say thank you. Because if she hadn't faced those challenges, I would not have been the same person I am now. Resilient मुझे बनाया, strong बनाया, क्योंकि उस रुबाब में वो challenges face किए. Independent हो गई, पहले dependent थी बहुत, फिर fully independent हो गई. यहाँ पे हम जितनी बैठे हैं, we all are working, yeah? To be very honest, comparatively to the women who are sitting at home, we are more strong. And we are different. The reason behind we are coming out and we have faced what probably they are facing right now, or maybe they are not facing. Not everybody has same scenarios. Okay? Some people have good things going on and they don't need to do things. But sometimes some people need to go out and do things for themselves. So I would, मैं हमेशा से working women को ज़्यादा favor करती हूँ, शायद खुद हूँ इसलिए. But I am really proud of myself, alhamdulillah, and proud of all of you sitting here today. Thank you guys.
Comparatively, in the last few years, I have been a more stronger, more wiser, and more resilient.
So, older me. So far, so good. I don't have any, as ma'am said, no regrets. But I would like to say, we always talk about being independent, being strong. But I would advise, in a run of being strong and independent, don't lose the beauty of what women naturally holds. So we have to keep that along with the run कि हमने independent बनना है, हमने strong बनना है.
To my old introvert, weak, dependent self, I'm proud of you now.
Old of me, वो message है कि just be strong, be yourself. Like definitely when you're working, you have to do a lot of things. You wanna keep everyone happy, so can't do that thing obviously. So it's okay. अगर कोई खुश नहीं भी एक बंदा नाराज़ है तो इट्स ओके. सो जो ओल्ड मी था उसको ये बहुत मसला था कि यार एवरीवन शुड बी हैप्पी, लाइक फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, इवन नेबर्स. यार नेबर्स को तो मसला नहीं हो गया मेरे से, मतलब राह चलते किसी बंदे को तो मसला नहीं है. सो इट्स ओके, पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ है. आई हैव लर्न दैट आई शुड हैव लेट गो थिंग्स.
Okay, to my older self, stay positive. You are going so good. Life is waiting for you. Very beautiful things are coming for you. That's it.
For my older self, मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगी कि जब तक हम खुद अपने लिए स्टैंड नहीं लेंगे, कोई हमारे लिए स्टैंड नहीं लेगा. तो हमें we should take stand for ourselves. Thank you.
To my older self, I just want to say that don't be so hard on yourself. Just keep moving forward and keep inspiring.
So to my older self, I'll definitely say that it gets better with time and stay strong. And that a lot of times to keep the peace, silence is observed and you don't have to do that. It's okay to break the norms, be different and stand for who you are, because a lot of people are also silent, and if you can be the voice for them, that's all you need to do.
To older of her, I just want to say, calm down, slow down. Yes, you're going to make your parents proud. You're going to be very proud of yourself, and which I am right now. So, yeah.
I want to say, please don't stress yourself. Everything will work itself out.
So to my older self, I would like to say कि ज़्यादा ओवर थिंकिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. लाइक समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि हम चीज़ों को इतना ओवर थिंक कर लेते हैं कि हम वो स्पॉइल कर देते हैं. तो लाइक गो विद द फ्लो. लाइक इतना स्ट्रेस लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो या दैट्स इट.
Thank you all of you for your sharing your insights, and it turns for me. I think for my older self, I just want to say to value yourself first, because if we value ourselves, the other people will ultimately value you, and that's really important.